Bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum bum bum. I am going to Harry Potter World. I'm really excited about it. I'm representing the Slytherin house. Those are my people. They're not all evil. Just saying. A lot of people think they are. But I'm going to do Slytherin makeup because I am going to Harry Potter World this week. And it's only my 10,000th time being there, but I'm still excited. Okay. I'm going to use the handy dandy tape trick today to help me out. Because we all need some help sometimes. As always, I'm going to take my Urban Decay priming potion because it's magical, because it's a potion. It's like Snape's potion classes. Because Snape was the bomb. I think he was very misunderstood. They always thought it was Snape, and it never was until the time they didn't think it was Snape, and then it was Snape. So misunderstood. Accio eyeshadow. I'm magical. Boop. Oh!
What?
I popped one with the wand, sorry.
Nice. Okay.
Get out of here, Bubbles. It's not your moment. Okay. So I'm going to go into Back to Brazil in this green that I've clearly used a lot. It's pretty green. I like it. Very Slytherin. I'm just going to take that in my crease. Now I'm going to go into the black color and kind of like put it on the outer corner area and make it into a maybe V shape, maybe fake cat eye. I definitely think if I had to bring an animal to Hogwarts, it would be a cat, but an owl is a close second because they're very smart and cute. Hedwig was super cute. But my first love is cats, so I'd bring like 4 cats with me. Or I'd get like a new cat each year and then at the end of it have like so many pets. Now I'm going to go into the Pretty Punk palette by MAC. And I'm going to dip into Unfazed. It's this really intense silver color because black, silver, green, it's my house. The Slytherin. Okay, now it's time to take the tape off and hope everything works. Do I look like a ghost?
What?
It looks really pale.
You don't look like a ghost.
What's the difference? So pale. You like my eyes?
Yes, I do. I love your eyes. They look pretty. Yes, they are. Look at this. Look at the front. So I don't know what's going on though. It looks very dark here.
Way to point out my dark circles because I haven't been
Or
sleeping
not.
well.
Is it, yeah, that's looks way darker.
That's why I need concealer, which I'm out of.
No. But otherwise it looks pretty.
Angle.
Here, wait, I'll look at it.
So in preparation for going to Harry Potter Land World, Harry Potter world. I have been, of course, watching the movies. And this is going to be an unpopular opinion, but I have a beef with McGonagall. Love her. Great teacher. Awesome lady. Turn into a cat whenever she wants. But I have got beef. So, in, I think, Deathly Hallows Part 2, Harry comes in and he's, hiding in the crowd, and Snape is up where Dumbledore used to sit, and he's like, "How dare you stand where he stood?" And then Snape is like, "Ah!" And he's like, "I'm gonna get you, Harry." And McGonagall's like, "No!" Right? My problem with all of this is that she sends all the Slytherins to the dungeon. She's like, "Filch, take them away." Now, as a Slytherin, I don't necessarily agree with Voldemort on his stances in the wizarding world. But what if I wanted to fight with Harry at the Battle of Hogwarts and now I am in the dungeon? That's not fair. We're not all guilty. They're not all guilty. Point is, they say not a wizard that came out of Slytherin wasn't, that's not the quote. Point is, they're a good Slytherin. They're not all evil. I could have helped, but I was in the dungeon. Not fair. Just saying. Love McGonagall though. Great professor. So, to take this look to the next level, I have this green highlighter, and it's just screaming Slytherin. So, time to green highlight it up. Get our Slytherin on. I'm not sure how to use this because I tried it with a brush once and it came out brown, so I think I'm going to try with my finger and see what happens. Oh boy, that's cool. There's a discussion going on in my house about my cats. I have some. Don't know if I've mentioned it. But we've been trying to figure out what houses they belong to. I think one of them belongs in Slytherin. I'm not sure where the rest fit in. But Spencer thinks that the majority of them belong in Hufflepuff. And I'm not sure I believe that. I think he's just trying to make life easy and not have to have this conversation with me. Because normal people don't really try to put their cats in Harry Potter Hogwarts houses. I just want to know. So, I'm noticing this looks really cool from the side. But when I look on, I feel like I just look dirty, which was not what I was going for. To finish it off, I'm going to be using a green lipstick by Urban Decay. It's called Hawkeye. Hawkeye. To bring even more Slytherin to this party. Is my face too green? I don't know. I don't think you can be too green. I also don't think you can underrepresent your house. Whatever house you may be in, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, Gryffindor, you know who you are. Oh, I love that. It's so pretty. So pretty. I'm not going to do fake eyelashes because I feel like they'll fly off in my face at a theme park, just on a roller coaster. Which I'm not very good on roller coasters. But luckily it's not like a real roller coaster. It's mostly CGI roller coaster. Another unpopular opinion I have is I think I like Fantastic Beasts better than Harry Potter. I said it. I'm not taking it back. I'm getting a lot of hate from from my friends and family who watch these videos. But don't get me wrong, I love Harry and I love his story. And I grew up with it, A new movie or a new book came out for like every year for 10 years. And it was magical and beautiful and I loved it. Now I'm an adult and I'm no longer in school. But Newt Scamander's an adult And honestly, I think he has the best job in the Wizarding world. Who wants to be an aura? That's just the police. He is a magic zoologist. I get to play with animals all day. And cool animals. If I had a Niffler, oh man, I'd be so rich. And probably in a lot of trouble. But who cares? They're cool. I think he's really cool. And I love Queenie and Jacob. They're so cute. I ship them so hard. I actually have Queenie's wand. If you're wondering what my wand was while doing this video. It's so pretty. It's actually pretty heavy. It's not interactive. So I think that's it for my Slytherin inspired Harry Potter look. I love the lipstick. I love the eyes. Not crazy about the highlight. I mean, like from the side, it looks cool. I feel like if you're looking straight at me, I just look dirty. I don't know. I'm obsessed with my lips. I really want to like just put lip prints everywhere right now. Accio eyeshadow. Oh god. Accio eyeshadow. Can we try it again where I'm not screaming?